Good morning to all. How are you all? I'm very fine and very happy today. What about you? You also very fine? Okay, then let us start. Okay, let us start our vehicles. Now you remember what did we learn last week, right? Vehicles. Remember the two children, Appu and Ammu, they visited the town. They saw many vehicles. They enjoyed lot. Right? Shall we say once what are the vehicles they saw? We also we saw that many vehicles in the last week. Okay. First, bus, truck, car, scooter. In the water some vehicles, no? Boat, ship, and in the air also. Yes, aeroplane and helicopter. And we saw one more vehicle that is very long. Train. We saw many vehicles, right? Not only that, we learned fastest vehicle, longest vehicle, and three-wheeled vehicle, two-wheeled vehicle. Many things we learned in the last week, right? Okay, today we are going to continue the same topic. Okay, all of you listen carefully. I am going to divide those vehicles into three. Okay, three types of vehicles. We already know some vehicles are moving on the road, some are sailing in the water, and some are moving in the air. Okay, so first one, vehicles move on land, that we call land transport. Okay, first one is land transport. What is land transport? Vehicles move on road, on land. We already know many more vehicles, many vehicles. Okay, you tell me, what are the vehicles move on land? Okay, tell me. Bus. Then what is the next one? Truck. Then this side, car. Then scooter. Bicycle. Yes, that also correct. See, look at the back side. Wow, JCB. Which vehicle is that? JCB. And see, in the other side, Jeep. Okay, yes, and one more vehicles, that is longest vehicle, no? That also move on land, track, railway track. Train. Yes, look at the train. Yes, train. That all vehicles are under land transport. Okay, which type of transport? Land transport. Okay, tell me, what are the vehicles? Bus, truck, car, scooter, cycle, bicycle, JCB, Jeep. Okay, this is enough. Now you want to find out more vehicles, names of more vehicles. Okay, and keep. Okay, first one is over. Okay, what was that? Land transport. And then coming next one is, what is the next one? That vehicles sailing in the water. Vehicles are sailing in the water. We saw the two vehicles in the last class. Ship and a boat. ship and a boat. See, look at the picture. Our ship and boat. See, two more vehicles are there in the water. Tell me, can you tell me the names of that vehicles? Huh? Yacht. What is that? Yacht. Tell me once again. Yacht. Okay, the next one. What is the next one? Tony. Torinju pona Tony. Yes, canoe. Canoe. What is that? Canoe. Yacht and canoe. The four vehicles are there, no? Tell me. Ship, boat, yacht and canoe. That is water transport. Water transport. These vehicles, these types of vehicles we call water transport. Okay, what is water transport? Vehicles sailing in the water. Vehicles are sailing in the water. That is water transport. Okay, children. Now, some more vehicles will be there sailing in the water that you want to find out. Okay, you want to find out and keep in mind. Okay. So land transport is over and water transport is also over. Then one more is there, that vehicles moving in the air. The last class we saw fastest vehicle, aeroplane and one more helicopter. That is which type of vehicle is that? Which type of transport is that? Air transport. എന്താണ്? Air transport. Moving in the air. Air transport. Okay. What are the air transport? Tell me some vehicles, names of some vehicles moving in the air. Aeroplane, helicopter, and look at there. Wow, super fast. What is that? Rocket. Rocket. See, look at the picture. Rocket. And see the other side. Wow, very nice to see, no? Colorful. What is that? What is that? Hot air balloon. What is the name? Hot air balloon. Once again. Hot air balloon. Okay. Tell me that all together. Aeroplane, helicopter, rocket and hot air balloon. Now you find out some other vehicles. Okay. You have to find out. You want to find out and keep in mind. Okay. Okay, now we saw three types of transport. First one is land transport. The next one is water transport. And the last one is, third one is air transport. Okay, what is land transport? Vehicles move on land. Then water transport. Vehicles sail in the water. And air transport, vehicles move in the air. Okay, do you want to see once again? No need, no? Okay, transport, vehicles. We are learning vehicles. We need vehicles to reach one place for long distance, right? Do you know how I came to school? Now I am in the school. Do you know how I came here? How did I reach here? Due to corona, no school bus. So how did I reach here? By auto. I came by auto rickshaw. Now we are going to move. Vehicles come to school. We need vehicles to come to school. After this corona and all, how will you come to school? Did you think that? How will I come to school? We have some vehicles. Look at the picture. A school bus. Look at here. Very nice, no? School bus. For what? School bus for what? To come to school. And see, other one, van. School van. School van. Okay? Any other? Any other vehicle? Come to school? For come to school? Look at the picture. Auto rickshaw. Some children will come by auto rickshaw. Some children, most of the children come by school bus or the school van. Then some of them will come by auto, and some children will come by their own vehicles, their car or their scooter or their own bicycles. Children, those who are in the nearby school, they will come by their bicycle. But the small children, they can't come by their bicycle. The big children will come like that. Okay? Now we saw some vehicles. Vehicles come to school. What are the vehicles? Tell me. Tell me what are the vehicles? School bus. Look at the board, okay? Then you tell me. School bus, van, auto rickshaw, car, scooter and bicycle. Okay? Okay, children? Now we want to wind up the class, wind up the vehicles topic, no? We learn many things, right? Three types of transport. Tell me, what are they? Land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay, then vehicles come to school. That also we saw in this chapter. Look at your book, many vehicles, pictures of many vehicles. Okay, you want to find out many other vehicles, names of many other vehicles. Okay, ready? Agree? Shall we wind up the class? Before winding up, can I ask two questions? Which is the longest vehicle? Which is the longest vehicle? Yes, train. And which is the fastest vehicle? Aeroplane. Okay, very good, children. Okay, great. Okay, now our chapter is over. I am going to wind up the class. The next class, new topic. Okay, bye. Assalamu alaikum.